Hello, Choro-Q collectors. One of the first things I started collecting, as far as Choro-Qs goes, were fire trucks. And so I got this one. It's been a while since I talked about a fire truck. Took a little research, but it turns out this is a Mitsubishi Super Fighter 327, and this is the only image I could find of the real vehicle. Other companies have made models of it, but this is all I could find. So I know nothing about it. But if you look, it does actually look kind of like this. This thing folds down, and it has a bulldozer on the front of it. So let's take a look here. So like many of the other fire trucks from this line, it's got this red line and the chrome wheel. This is kind of neat. And then it's got molded details all throughout the body here, and then additional paint in some of those details. So that's cool. You'll see there's printing all over the thing as well. And this bulldozer thing actually pivots a very tiny bit. This side, yeah, looks the same as the other side. This is a coin holder. And then on the bottom, it just says HG. I think this is like a Targa Japan toy, although it doesn't make any indication of Targa. And on the top we have translucent lights, a bunch of them actually. And then we have a chrome water cannon here, and it actually does turn, being a toy. So that's kind of nice. And that's the end of it, really. It's a pullback toy, so it can actually zip across your room if you wanted to. I think I actually like with the armored plate up, because that plate has printing on it. So I like it. It looks pretty good. A lot of details for a Choro-Q. Much more than usual. Okay, let's revisit a few of those other fire trucks. So I got this one with the boom, and this one has like opening panels. So little painted details inside as well. So yeah, these Targa things are great. A lot of detail going on. And that's got gold chrome on it. Alright, hold on. I think with this big coaster I should elevate the camera a little bit. That's better. This one's just got some lights and some other doors. This is another armored one, but it doesn't have a bulldozer. So I think it's the same casting, just missing the bulldozing part. So I'll put that next to it. You know, maybe this isn't a fire truck. Yeah, I think it has to be, though. I mean, it's red. But it actually has a different emblem on the front. I almost think that might be a police emblem. But why would it be red? Well, if you think better, please leave a comment. Now this one does say Targa on the bottom of it. I'm not sure if this is part of a fire collection or just an emergency collection, but it's a white ambulance. I think it's like a Nissan. It looks like a Nissan. And then from the TV show 24, they had a series. These are Targa ones also. And this is obviously just like an American style ambulance. Maybe it's like a GMC or Ford chassis with the ambulance back end. And then we have this one here. And then another light one. Why do I have two light ones? This is weird. Why do I have two of these? These look identical. Alright, so that's weird. I'm gonna have to sell one of these. Oh, I see. One says robot loaded, and one says power supply. And yet, both of them don't have a robot. I know I had the robot somewhere. Okay, so that's why I kept both of them. But really, they pretty much look identical. top view. And let's let this guy spin on its own. In front of it's one lonely photo. And today we'll have Thor running with the fire truck. Well, I definitely like this more than the fire truck without a plow. It's just, you know, more parts, I guess. But the other one's not so bad either because it has some white paint on it. This one's, you know, just all red. If there are some other castings that are different, I suppose I'll try to find those someday and add to the collection. But if not, I guess I'll see you in the next Choro review. Alright, take care.